Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to install and use scrcpy, which is some software to control your Android device via cable or via Wi-Fi. Hope you enjoy. A few prerequisites before you start. You require an Android device, such as a phone or a tablet, a cable to plug it into your computer, and some way to unzip the files. Windows does this natively. Linux or OS X may require extra steps that are not covered in this video. To start, we will download the software to control your Android device on your computer. This is downloaded from github.com/jennymobile/scrcpy. I will put the link on the screen and I will also put the link in the description so it is to find. Once you're on this website, you will have a lot of information if you scroll down, which has extra steps that you could use if you require very specific use cases, but we don't need that just now. First, we will go to Releases on the right, which is the newest release. Scroll down a bit. You will want the release, which is scrcpy-win64- the newest version.zip. Click on that and then save it. Okay. Once you have downloaded the software, which is in a zip file, you'll right click, extract to, then you'll have a folder which we'll be using in a moment. On your Android device, you'll need to get the IP of the device, which you go into settings, and click on internet, click on your Wi-Fi, again, scroll down, and write down that IP address because we will need that in a later step. Then go back because we need to enable the developer option, which is very dependent on your phone, but with mine it is under System, About Phone, and then you hit the build number multiple times. It will say then hit so many more times, then you become a developer. You may need to enter your PIN. Once you become a developer, go back, developer options, and scroll down under debugging, enable USB debugging. This is so your phone can talk to your computer easily. For this next step, you will need to plug your phone into your computer. This is so your phone and your computer can talk while we set everything up. Then you'll open Start, type cmd, open up command prompt. It looks a little like this. Then you will type adb space connect space. Remember the IP we wrote down earlier? We typed that. Then :5555. Press enter. Yours may say something different. Mine is already connected. To make yours say that, you can type it again. If you press the up arrow, it will do the last command, press enter. And it should say already connected to IP 4. Once that step is complete, you can close the command prompt and open up the scrcpy folder that we extracted earlier. If you find the exe, scrcpy.exe, right click on it, hold, drag it to where you need it. I keep it on the desktop, let go, create shortcut here, and then you'll have a .exe dash shortcut. Ignore the 3 because I've got this multiple times. Then we can right click and then properties, and then in the target, go to the end, make sure it isn't highlighted, then space dash dash always dash on dash top. This means that the device will always be on top when it's running on your computer. And space dash capital S dash little s. This means your phone will be, the screen will be turned off when in use, so you can save a little bit of battery power that way. In space, then the IP of your device, which is, and then :5555. Click apply, click OK, and then you'll double click the icon. You'll get a command prompt like so. and your device. I hope this was helpful. A like and subscribe is very useful to me. Leave any comments if you are struggling, and I'll help the best way I can. Thank you.